Well, the clock just hit 5:13 and it is Thursday morning, also known as Brittany's favorite day, Friday Eve. As she says, we're looking outdoor downtown. A little bit of wet roads outside, but otherwise a pretty nice start to our morning, a mild start to our morning before plenty more wet weather hits us. We're expecting a return to that wet and windy weather, especially as we head into our evening hours. But as we start off the day, we're continuing in that above average range. We've been seeing this for the last few days and really last week or so. Temperatures in the afternoon making it to the 40s. In the mornings like this, where we normally expect during this time, temperatures in the low 20s and teens. Look where we are on the map, 37 degrees. A couple other spots around us staying a little bit warmer than average as well. Lincoln at 36, Minneapolis at 36. But down south, we're pretty close to temperatures over even on the East Coast. We've got New York City at 30 degrees. We're warmer than that. And over toward our West Coast, we've got 52 degrees right now in Portland and 50 degrees in LA to start off your morning. As far as locally goes, you can see a closer view of Spokane and Coeur d'Alene shows us some of these light rain showers are passing through. If you're waking up to one of those showers, expect it to pass through relatively quickly because these are not any widespread systems. These are those light, very quick moving, isolated showers that are not producing much moisture at all. So if we are seeing the rain register, it is likely registering at less than 1/100th of an inch of accumulation over the last several hours, but we'll keep an eye on where we see these rain levels going. There is a chance that that'll pick up as we go into your evening. We see wet and windy again this afternoon. It's mainly this afternoon about between 3 and 8 o'clock where we see more of those showers pick up, including in the Spokane region. Still temperatures too warm to sustain any snow in our lower elevations, so in Spokane, don't expect any snow today. Partly sunny, calmer Friday. Overall, the wind speeds that we're seeing today aren't going to die down until we get to your Friday, and then we'll see them gradually calm down. Skies outside going to be pretty nice. It's going to look almost like a day in mid-November, early November, as opposed to late December. White Christmas is still possible. We see those temperatures gradually declining, which means that as we get towards your Saturday and your Sunday, even into your Monday, afternoon and overnight temperatures are only going to be around the 30s. And that leads us to believe that if we see some moisture passing through, which we do, then it could come in the form of snow. Current temperatures around the area showing mostly 30s. We've got 38 degrees in St. Mary's, 33 in Wallace. Down south, only spot on the map that's registering in those 40s with the exception of portions of central Washington. Grand Coulee at 45 degrees, Ritzville at 43. So here's what we got on that future tracker. This is what we're talking about in terms of those light showers. So by the time we get to 3:30, we're seeing those pass through the Spokane region up toward those northern mountains and valleys. Snow continues over the Cascades, but it starts to clear out of our region. So you can see by the time we get to our Friday morning, we're looking at a dry day. Friday morning looks to be partly cloudy, very calm day overall. That continues all the way through. Look at this. Early Saturday morning. By the time we get to your Saturday afternoon, a couple more showers built from the west side. We're still looking at just cloud cover through eastern Washington and North Idaho, though, so pretty calm to start off our Saturday morning as well. 7-day forecast. We have winter beginning officially tomorrow. That is when we'll also be saying goodbye to those 40-degree afternoon highs. So today will be the final day of that. We'll make it right to 45 degrees before we see about a 7-degree cool down going into tomorrow. And then your Monday and your Tuesday, as we mentioned, that is where we see the chance of some rain and snow showers, which means there is the possibility, still slim, but possibility of a white Christmas. Brittany?